Hello everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can create a thumbnail or create a feature image using the Canva. So let me just open the Canva. So you can go to canva.com and create a account, and let me just create a design. So I will click on here and I can create a custom size image. So here I will type like 1920 into 1080p. So make sure to keep it in pixel, and let me just create new design. Okay, now a blank canvas is added. I can start with a template or start from the scratch. So let me just select this, or I can select this, and I can also delete all the element here, and I can use the background color, or I can select this and I can change the background color here. So I can change the background color using this, or I can simply search for sky like that, and I can use different color like sky blue, or I can simply search for red, and here I will get a different color combination like this. So let me just revert it back to the original color, and I can also add a text. So to add the text I can use the text column, and I can simply drag the heading, or I can use a shortcut like just click on T on the keyboard and it will add a text block here, and I can change the text like what is SEO, and I can select this and I can increase the font. So let me just increase the font to around 104 or 120, and I can simply select and drag it here, and I can change the font. So I can change the font like this, or these are the fonts that I mostly used: Open Sans or Bebas Niue or Monster 8. So let me just set it to Cerebri Bold, and some fonts are premium and some fonts are free. So if you are using the free version of Canva, then you can use the free fonts. So I can select this, and I can also select a individual word and change the color. So let me just change it to something like yellow, and now I can select this and I can click on effect, and I can select the shadow effect, and I can change the shadow background color to black or gray color like this, and I can change the offset a little bit. Okay, now let me just select this, and I can capitalize, or I can make it to smaller case, and let me just position it to the bottom, or I can set it to the bottom left, and as you can see it will show a line to make it perfectly center, or I can use this option. So I can select the position and I can change it to middle, or I can change it to top or bottom, or left or right. So in this way you can change the position, or you can simply drag it and make it to the center like that. Now I can search for a image. So for this I will go to the element section, and I can simply search for SEO, and it will show all the images. So I will click on graphics, or I can also use a image here. So if you want to add a image as a background, then you can do that. Simply just drag it and leave it like that, and I can add another element like this. So let me just add a shapes from here, and I can simply drag the element and cover it, and I can change the color to black, and I can then set the transparency like that, or I can change the transparency to a little bit dark. So in this way you can use a image as a background, but I don't want that. I can set it to a plain background, and let me just search for SEO again, and here I will use a graphics. So here you can see a lot of graphics. So let me just drag this image like that, and I can increase the image size, and I can just drag the text here, and I can just make it to 2 lines like that. Or you can make it to something like that. And here you can adjust the line height. Just click on here spacing, and here you can adjust the line height using this tool. And you can also use different anchor text box, and here you can also reduce the letter spacing and line spacing. Okay, now let me just select T, and I can make a branding. So I can type like key to blogging, and I can reduce the font size to around 14 or something like 21, and I can drag the text to the top right corner, and I can change the color to white, and I can change the text font like this. And let me just increase the font size a little bit, 32. So you can easily change the style like this. Okay, now our thumbnail is created, and I can also add different thumbnails. So if I want to use a screenshot in place of this text, then I can simply upload the screenshot here. Suppose I want to use this image as a screenshot, and then I can simply drag it, and I can adjust the image size, and let me just copy the text and paste it here. I can just select this image, and I can click on edit image, and here I can adjust the brightness or contrast, or I can add a shadow effect like this, and I will select the drop shadow effect. And here I will click on the options, and I can change the shadow background color to white or black, or I can change it to blue, something like that. So this is looking good, and I can adjust the offset a little bit, and I will click on apply. Now the image is added to our canvas, and you can simply duplicate it and try different design. Or let me just make it to center. So for this I will click on here, and I will reduce the image size a little bit, and I can set the position to middle and center. Now I can drag this text like this, and I can drop it in the bottom. Or you can also further increase the screenshot like this, and let me just delete this text like what is SEO, and I will keep it simple SEO, and I can adjust the position, and I can add one more text. So I will click on T, and I will type like what is, and let me just change the text color to white, and let me just adjust it a little bit, and I will click on here, and I can drag the text and keep it in the center, and I can select the whole text, and I can simply click on the group button, and I can then drag the text like this. So in this way you can group different text, and you can change the position or increase the font size. And I can just select this text like this, and I can make it bold, and I can change the text size a little bit like this. So I hope you got the idea how to use the Canva to create your thumbnails. And you can also copy the designs. So if you want to change the design from here, then I can simply select this, and I will select this option, copy style, and I can simply just click on here, and it will copy the style from this text, and here you can adjust the font size like this, and as you can see the styling is copied from the text to this text. So in this way you can fast track your design process. And if you want me to make a dedicated tutorial on Canva, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if this video is helpful to you, then hit the like button and do subscribe key to blogging for more upcoming videos like this. Thank you.